Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NBEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days, both Thursday and Friday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green lines are coming from. But first thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning here, and I'm going to get rid of this line and then this line down here. Yes, both those lines still pertain to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter because there's confusion all over the place with lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first I guess update's not the right word. Confirmation is more of an accurate term. The first point of confirmation is in regard to this red line up here at 640, which I've talked about in the past videos. And if you did watch the video from Thursday, hopefully you remember me talking about that as an area of resistance, and surprise, surprise, once more, the price got right up around that general area and could not push through. So while I'm not saying it's impossible to break that area, I'm just saying apparently according to the story that is being told to us via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above 640, but then also stay up above it. From more of a, just overall sense as far as supports are concerned, I've talked about this area in the past, but at this point, given that it's caught up a little bit more because this line will keep moving upwards, but that is the 50 period simple moving average. And like I just said, that level will continue to move higher and higher. So it's kind of like a trend line. In fact, I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people. If you don't want to draw a trend line, that's fine. Let this quote-unquote trend line draw itself for you. And as long as the price does stay up above that trend line, remember, again, a moving average, then that does imply the overall chart is still fully in the bull's favor. And given the price isn't even close to that line right now, that's why I thought, we'll just focus on that, because the main focus seems to be whether or not the price can make another attempt to back up here at 640 and then maybe even push up through it. But all in all, key level of resistance going into next week, $6.40. Key level of support, that purple line, the 50 period, is simple moving average. So we'll see what the bulls have in store. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.